I just took the plastic off this. I'll just read here, Brothers box break. I'm gonna do a quick two little blaster box from Walmart. Topps Chrome 2011 football. Had some luck with this from actually it was a Target one. Oh no, these are from Target. I had some luck from Walmart. The little unrecorded mojo. These were in actually the same pack too. A dual rookie AJ Green and John Baldwin dual auto, and an Alden Smith auto from San Fran. Pretty sweet. See if I can get, you know, some more mojo like that. I got my son here to help me out. Finest freshman, Brandon Marshall, man. Stand through him real quick. I was hearing purple refractor Marshawn Lynch. Diamond number to, what are these? $4.99, yeah. Marcel Darius.
You got a patch of him, didn't you?
Yeah, I think I did.
That's open the one up.
Jake Locker rookie. Super another Kyle Rudolph. Holy shit.
Okay.
Go ahead, show him. Show the camera. Right here, I think. Rookie. Oh, Brooks Reed, Texans. Go Texans. Ryan Kerrigan. Diamond.
Good victory this weekend for him. First playoff win.
Ever in history.
Greg Little. Got a goal. Julio Jones. Right? I don't know if that's any good or anything, but it's gold. Gold is good.
Got Jimmy Smith.
Let's see. Finest first one. Chris Johnson. Man, nothing.
Fighting over him.
Yeah, just open it. Trying to do this quick, man. All Pro Ed Reed, Diamond. Oh, Tebow. Little Tebow magic tonight, too. Come on, here, let me help you out, man. Try to do this quick. It's all about speed, man.
Okay, we got some Derek Sherrod.
Keep going. Phantom.
Johnny White.
And a refractor. No Sean Moran.
Yeah. And we got a Phil Rivers.
The fantasy killer.
Oh, yeah, you really got me this year. Okay, another box. Okay, autos. Let's see where the autos at. Gold Cam Newton. I guess those aren't too damn rare.
We got Cameron Jordan. We got Von Miller and Joseph Adaya.
Purple one.
And Sean Green.
Ooh, blue refractor Roddy White. Numbered to 199. That ain't too bad.
Nice.
We got a Ryan Williams, Randall Cobb, Finance freshman Cam Newton.
Freshman.
Cam Newton.
Cam Newton.
Brand.
This pack here is crap.
Brian Urlacher.
Christian Colin Kaepernick. Drew Brees, Diamond.
We got a Robert Quinn, Stephen Ridley, Von Miller, Hackam, Knicks with the light up
black
today.
Dante, number 299.
Robert Quinn. That's it.
And that's it for the Topps Chrome football. Check out the next break. It was kind of crap, but see you.